Installing your Lytx DriveCam SF-series event recorder is simple and straightforward. First, install the device, then connect the cables, and finally activate the device. Inside your kit, you will find all the equipment and tools you need to get started. The DriveCam event recorder, OBD-II power cable, mounting bracket, a Torx wrench, an alcohol wipe, 2 T27 screws, 1 T8 screw, tamper prevention clip, cable mounts, and zip ties. For older models, double-check that an OBD-II port is available. If the port is not available, Lytx recommends power and vehicle interface cables as your solution. Step 1. Install the device. First, use the Lytx supplied alcohol wipe to ensure the windshield is free of debris and oil. Secure the device to the bracket using the provided Torx wrench and T27 screws. Place the device on the windshield, ensuring it doesn't obstruct the driver's view, but also ensure that the inside and outside camera lenses are not obstructed. Affix the bracket firmly to the windshield and mount the device to the bracket. Step 2. Connect the correct cables. Remove the panels necessary to access the OBD-II port and to route the cable up the A-pillar and across the headliner of the vehicle. To get started, find the female OBD-II port in your vehicle and remove the port cover. Place a fitting bracket on the cable. Take the OBD-II cable, which has 1 male and 2 female ends. Plug the male end into the vehicle's OBD-II port. Use one of the female ends of the Y cable, with bracket attached, to replace the vehicle's diagnostic port. Plug the other female end into the event recorder's power cable. Route and secure the cable along the A-pillar and interior headliner. Route behind the side pillar airbag if vehicle is equipped with one. Secure the cable to the side of the device with the provided T8 screw and tamper prevention clip. Step 3. Activate the device. On your event recorder, there is a QR code that links to a site where you can register the installation of your DriveCam. You can also visit lytx.com/install. Log in with your credentials on the account login page. You can obtain your credentials from your Lytx project manager. Add the information about the vehicle and installation and validate the camera placement. Note, the serial number can be found on the small sticker on the side of the event recorder. After activating your device, if your LED light is green, you're ready to go. If not, please contact Lytx for further support. Your vehicle is now equipped with the Lytx DriveCam SF-series event recorder, enhancing safety and efficiency. For more information, visit lytx.com.